Om Namah Shivaya. Happy morning. Welcome to Samyama Yoga. Let us begin this yoga sadhana with any one position. Take a comfortable position. Either you can sit in Vajrasana, Sukhasana or Siddhasana, whichever is most convenient and comfort. Keep your spine upright. Adopt Chin Mudra or Gnana Mudra on the thighs. Join the tip of the thumb with the forefinger. Keep your spine upright. Relax the whole body. Just try to become aware of your whole body. Relax the shoulders. Relax your abdomen muscles, thigh muscles. Feel the lightness in both the legs. Close the eyes and become aware of your breathing. Just let it be natural. Don't alter the rhythm of the breathing. Try to stop all the external activities, external thoughts. Even if they come, don't worry. By closing the eyes, you will feel the complete stillness. If you observe the breathing, you will feel the relaxed body. Let us begin the sadhana. Yoga, as we know, it is not just doing some physical activities, it is inward journey, understanding the true self. With through the Annamaya Kosha or the physical body, we'll go for the search of happiness, search for reality. Let us begin the sadhana. Shift your awareness on the Agna Chakra, eyebrow center. Try to visualize the picture of Om in front of the Agna Chakra. Om is the universal mantra. Chanting Omkara with deep breathing, let us salute to Ishvara Shiva, super consciousness. Take a deep breath. Om. Inhale deeply. Om. Inhale. Om. Feeling the vibrations of Omkara, let us begin the practice by chanting Vedic mantra, adopt Namaskar Mudra. Take a deep breath. Sangachadvam samvadadvam samvomanansi janatam devabhagam yata purve sanjanana upasate sanjanana upasate sanjanana upasate. Very slowly and gently take back the arms. Hold the right wrist with the left. Inhale, stretch the shoulders, raise your head up. Exhale, slowly bend the trunk forward and offer the salutation. Let us walk together. Let us speak some good words. Going back to the nature, following our ancestors, let us find out the truth. Very slowly and gently, inhale, come up. Sangachadvam samvadadvam samo manansi janatam deva bhagam yata purve sanjanana upasate. Following our ancestors, let us begin the sadhana. Very slowly and gently come to Tadasana. Yoga sadhana begin with the physical body. So let us loosen the joints. Very slowly and gently keep your both the palms on the waist, apart the legs of feet distance. Take the correct position. neck movement. Very slowly and gently bend your neck forward. Now inhale slowly and gently, raise your head up. Very slowly and gently bend the neck. Feel the stretching of the throat muscles, compression at the cervical region. Exhale slowly and deeply bend your neck forward. Inhale slowly and gently raise your head. Close the eyes. Watch the breathing. Feel the movement. Exhale slowly and gently bend your neck forward. Feeling is most important in Sukshma Vyayama. Inhale slowly and gently bend your neck back. Exhale deeply, slowly bend your neck forward. Enjoy the pain. Inhale slowly, raise your head up. Exhale slowly and gently bend the neck forward. Press your chin. Now inhale slowly, come to center. Bend your neck right now. Very slowly and gently so that the right ear touches the right shoulder. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly, gently bend your neck left so that the left ear touches the left shoulder. Enjoy the stretching of the muscle. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly, bend your neck right. Enjoy the pain around the neck muscles. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly, bend the neck left. Slowly inhale, come to center. Exhale slowly, bend the neck right. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale, bend the neck left. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly, bend the neck right. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly, bend the neck left. Inhale slowly, come to center. Slowly turn the neck right now. Very slowly and gently twist your neck so that the chin is aligned with the shoulder. Enjoy the pain. Inhale slowly and gently, come to center. Turn the neck, twist your neck left as much as possible. Very slowly and gently come to center. Turn the neck very slowly and gently right. Slowly inhale, come to center. Turn the neck with exhalation towards left. Twist your neck muscles. Enjoy the pain around the muscles. Don't worry. Inhale, come to center. Turn the neck right. Very slowly and gently inhale, come to center. Twist your neck left. Inhale, slowly come to center. Turn the neck right. Very slowly and gently come to center. Turn the neck left. Now very slowly and gently come to center. Bend your neck forward. We'll go for the neck movement. Very slowly and gently rotate the neck. Rotation of the neck muscles with inhalation and exhalation. Inhale, raise your head up. Exhale slowly, bend forward, pressing the chin on the collarbone. Inhale, slowly raise your head up. Feel the rotation. Very slowly and gently exhale, move the neck down. Very slowly and gently feel the movement of the neck muscles. Feel the cervical vertebra. Very slowly and gently rotate in the reverse direction, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Feeling the pain around the neck muscles. Feel the rotation very slowly and gently. Sukshma Vyayama, you have to practice carefully with the awareness on the movement, on the joints, and breathing and counting. Now slowly stop the practice. Relax your neck muscles. Now fingers on the shoulders. Join the heels. Join the elbow. Very slowly and gently inhale. Raise your shoulders up as much as possible. Exhale. Slowly drop the shoulders down. Inhale. Slowly raise your arms up. Exhale. Slowly drop. Practice very slowly. Feel the rotation of the shoulders with inhalation and exhalation. Very slowly and gently raise your arms up. Exhale, slowly drop. Inhale, slowly up. Exhale, slowly and gently drop. Now in the reverse order, very slowly inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, slowly drop. Loosen the shoulders very slowly. Close the eyes and watch. Watch the joints. Practice very slowly, enjoying the pain around the neck muscles. Feel the stiffness of the shoulder joint, and you are relaxing and releasing the stiffness by rotating the shoulders. Enjoying the pain, relax. Stop the practice. Now observe the breathing. Immediately after the practice, try to close the eyes and watch all the changes. Observe the breathing and relax. Apart the legs now. Trunk movement. Raise your arms up, palms facing each other. Now very slowly and gently take a deep breath. Inhale, slowly exhale, twist your trunk right. Left palm on the right shoulder, twist your trunk, turn the neck as much as possible. Enjoy the paining, enjoy the twisting. Slowly inhale, come to center. Very slowly and gently twist your neck, turn the neck, very slowly trunk. Right palm over the left shoulder, twist your trunk as much as possible, enjoying the pain. Very slowly and gently come to center. Now slowly twist your trunk right, left palm over the right shoulder. Turn the neck, get the tip of the fingers. Inhale, slowly and gently come to center. Exhale slowly, twist your trunk towards left, right palm over the left shoulder. Continuous practice. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly, twist your trunk. Turn the neck, left palm over the right shoulder. Very slowly and gently. Come to center. Twist your trunk. Turn the neck towards left. Very slowly. Right palm over the left shoulder. Inhale. Slowly and gently come to center. Turn the neck very slowly. Twist your trunk right. Left palm over the right shoulder. Very slowly. Inhale. Come to center. Close the eyes. Slowly twist your trunk left. Right palm over the left shoulder. Very slowly and gently come to center. Drop the arms, relax the shoulders, enjoy the pain. Immediately close the eyes and watch all the changes before continuing the practice. Enjoying the relaxation of the trunk muscles, apart the legs of feet distance, raise your arms, palms facing downwards. We'll go for the knee movement. Take a deep breath. Inhale, slowly exhale, bend your knees, come to squatting position. Inhale slowly and gently, raise your arms up. Exhale slowly, bend your knees very slowly and gently. Inhale, come up. Exhale, feel the pleasurable pain around the knee joints and the calf muscles. You are stretching the calf muscles. Inhale, slowly come up. Our calf muscles are like acting like pump. Slowly and gently bend your knees. Inhale slowly and gently come up. Exhale, drop the arms. We have two types of systems, circulatory system and lymphatic system. Circulatory system has the heart for the pumping, but whereas lymphatic system removes the waste extra toxins from the body, but our calf muscles and other immune organs will work as a drainage system, pumping system. So calf muscle stretching helps to remove the excess toxins. With this, we'll go for the relaxation, relaxing the whole body. We'll go for the Yogasana practice. Yogasanas are the simple postures which brings harmony between the different organs. Tadasana stretch. Now very slowly apart the knees, apart the legs, 2 to 3 inches. Inhale, slowly and gently raise your arms up. Stretch the shoulder up as much as possible. Stretch the shoulders. Let the feet be on the floor. Stretch the toes and the ankles. Stretch your calf muscles, knee joints, hip joints, shoulders up. Stay in the position 10 seconds. 10, 9, relax. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently exhale. Bend from the root of the waist. Pada Hastasana. Very slowly bend forward from the root of the waist. Bend forward as much as possible. Push your head inside the shoulders. Hold the ankles. If possible, try to keep your both the palms by the side. Otherwise, hold the ankles and relax. Initially, you can begin the practice with staying 10 seconds, increasing up to 30 seconds. Relax the thigh muscles. Relax the calf muscles. 10, 9, no tension. 8, relax. 7, 6, free the shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently inhale. Come up. Now very slowly exhale. Awareness on the breathing and the body parts movement. Now relax. Relax the shoulders. Observe all the changes. After each practice, try to close the eyes immediately, observe the breathing, and try to relax before commencing the next asana. Ardha Chakrasana, powerful back bending posture. Very simple practice, bending the trunk and the neck back. Apart the legs off feet distance. Take the position. Very slowly, both the palms by the side of the thighs. Now very slowly stretch the shoulders back, relax. Don't be hurry. Hurry, worry, curry are the three elements which brings lot of suffering in the human mind. Very slowly inhale. Slowly and gently raise your palms up. Turn the palms. Take the support. Very slowly push your abdomen forward and bend your trunk back and neck back. Relax. Now push your abdomen forward. Don't bend the knees. Tighten the knees. But relax. No tension in the joint. Enjoy the pain around the trunk muscles, abdomen muscles. Relax. Relax in the final posture. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently come up. Don't be hurry. As I said, repeating. Be there. Close the eyes. Don't open the eyes. Observe all the changes. Feel the blood rushing down the head region, relaxing the shoulders. Hurry in everything brings you a lot of suffering. So be slow and be calm. Yoga helps you to be calm. Manah prashamanopayaha ityabhidiyate yogaha. Yoga Vasistha says, keeping the mind calm always in your work, attitude, and function will help you to create more and more activities. Relaxing, very slowly dropping the arms down, very slowly and gently stretch your both the legs 3 to 3.5 feet distance. Trikonasana, triangle posture. Try to check yourself. Your body is like in the triangle position. Now very slowly tightening the knee joints. When you tighten the joints, but be free, relax the thigh muscles, relax your cuff muscles. Now inhale, raise your arms up very slowly and gently. Let all the practice be very slow, keeping both the hands parallel to the ground. Now take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, slowly bend your trunk laterally, right side, right palm, down the right knee, turn the neck left, raise your left arm, get the tip of the finger. Now feel the stretched trunk muscles, awareness on the stretched muscles, but relax. In the final position, when you are counting, try to relax yourself, relax the pain so that you can stand for the longer duration. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently come up. Raise your arm. Drop the arms. Be there. Relax. As I said, repeating, hurry, worry, curry. Worries are also another thing, element. Negative thoughts brings you a lot of suffering in your life and also in activities. Don't worry. Let the things happen naturally. Everything happens for the good. Now very slowly inhale, raise your arms up. We'll go for the opposite practice. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Slowly bend your trunk laterally left. Left palm down the left knee. Turn the neck. Raise your right arm. Get the tip of the finger. Very slowly and gently. Relax your trunk muscles. Relax your shoulders. Don't worry. Relax. Be happy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently come up. Raise your left arm. Drop the arms. Very slowly join the legs. Relax. Now relax your trunk muscles. Trikonasana, powerful practice, helps to stimulate the digestive system, increase the functions of the digestive organs, tone up the muscles, stimulates the digestive glands, including pancreas. Relaxing the whole body now, observing the breathing, you'll become more and more relaxed. We'll go for the sitting postures, Vajrasana, Ardha Ustrasana, Shashankasana, Uttana Mandukasana, and Vakrasana. Simple postures. Very slowly and gently exhale. Come to Vajrasana. Vajrasana, perfect Vajrasana. Stand on the knees. Now very slowly join the heels. Initially you will get the pain around the ankles. Don't worry about the pain. If you are feeling more pain, you can withdraw the practice. Now very slowly and gently exhale. Sit on the heels. Let the buttocks be on the heels. Now adjust the position. Be there and relax before commencing the Ardha Ustrasana. Ardha Ustrasana of camel posture. Like Ardha Chakrasana, it also helps to strengthen the back muscles. Very slowly and gently stand on the knees. Slide the palms very slowly and gently. Take the firm support at the back. Turn the palms. Very slowly push your abdomen forward. Very slowly bend your neck back as much as possible. Push the abdomen. Enjoy the position. Join the heels. Try to join the knees, but relax the shoulders and the neck muscles. Stay in the position with relaxation. After stimulation, you have to relax. Tato dhundva anabhigataha. Without any effort. Prayatna shaitilyam ananta samapatibhyam. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently come up. Don't open the eyes. Be there. Stand on the knees. Relax. Observe the changes. Blood rushing down the head region. Back bending postures. Very powerful practices to stimulate all the vertebral organs. Stimulates the spinal cord, nervous system. Now very slowly and gently exhale. Come to Vajrasana. Relax in Vajrasana. Very slowly and gently observe the breathing. Observe all the changes before commencing the next asana. Relax yourself. Relaxation is the important component in the yoga practice. Stimulation and relaxation. As I repeating, don't be hurry and don't worry about the practice. Practice according to your capacity. Don't go beyond the limits. Now very slowly inhale. Raise your arms up. Stretch the shoulders up. Bend your neck. Bend your trunk back. Stretch the back muscles up as much as possible. Enjoy the stretching. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Very slowly and gently bend your trunk forward. Rest your palms on the elbows. Rest your forehead. Relax. Observe the breathing. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly inhale. Gently come up. Exhale. Very slowly and gently drop the arms. Relax in Vajrasana. Hurry, worry, and curry. Curry is nothing but your food. Try to avoid all the spicy food so that you can practice easily. Stimulates all the rajasic food, nothing but curry, which stimulates your digestive organs, brings lot of suffering in the digestive system. Very slowly and gently apart the knees, we'll go for Uttana Mandukasana. Take one arm distance across the knees. Very slowly inhale. Raise your arms up. Stretch as much as possible. Very slowly and gently bend your elbows. Keep your both the palms on the shoulder blade. Stretch the shoulder back, but relax the shoulders. Close the eyes. Watch the breathing. All the rajasic food, which makes your mind speed. Try to avoid the rajasic food. All the cooked food are nothing but rajasic food. Relax the shoulders. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently raise your arms up. Very slowly drop your arms and join the thighs. Relax. Before commencing Vakrasana, try to relax the shoulders. Relax your abdomen muscles. Three types of food which makes our mind calm, speed, lazy, and lethargy. Sattvic food makes your mind calm, keeps your mind calm. Rajasic food speeds up your mind, and tamasic food speeds and brings lot of lazy and lethargy in your activities and the mind. Very slowly and gently unfold your right leg and the left leg. Come to relaxation posture. We'll go for the Vakrasana, twisting posture. Relax in the Shitila Dandasana, relaxing posture. Before commencing next asana, try to relax and observe the breathing. Come to Dandasana, join the heels, tighten the knees. Very slowly and gently inhale. Fold your right knee, keep your right foot by the side of your left knee. Now inhale, raise your right arm up. Exhale, slowly keep your right palm on the floor. Tighten the left knee. Don't loosen the joint. Inhale. Slowly raise your left arm. Now bring it across your right thigh. Suck the abdomen inside as much as possible. Very slowly suck inside and turn the neck. Very slowly and gently try to rest your chin on the shoulder. Hold the ankle or the toe, whichever is convenient. Don't worry. Let the things be natural and let it be happen natural. Relax your abdomen muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently turn the neck. Now inhale. Slowly and gently raise your left arm. Unfold your right leg. Relax. Relax in relaxation posture. Now don't compare yourselves to others. All the different organs or the different part of our body are different according to the mind. So don't compare with others. Others may do very well, but you also can do very well with the practice. Practice makes you perfect. Very slowly and gently now we'll go for the opposite practice. Slowly and gently come to Dandasana. Join the legs. Very slowly tighten the right knee. Fold your left knee with inhalation. Now inhale. Once again, raise your left arm up. Exhale slowly, drop your left arm. Keep your left palm on the floor. Tighten the right knee. Now inhale, raise your right arm up. Bring it across your left thigh. Suck the abdomen inside. Hold the ankle or the toe or the leg, whichever is convenient. Don't worry if not able to hold the toe. Suck the abdomen inside. Turn the neck very slowly. Relax your abdomen muscles. Normal breathing. Watch your breathing. Observe all the changes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently raise your right arm up. Slowly stretch your left leg. Come to relaxation posture. Relax. Relaxation in relaxation Dandasana, Shitila Dandasana. Observe the breathing. 15, 14, 13, 12. Count the numbers. 9. Mentally. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From Vakrasana, we'll go for the prone lying posture. Come to Dandasana, come to Vajrasana, fold your right knee. Fold your left knee, very slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. A powerful practice, Vajrasana, sitting asana, thunderbolt posture. Stimulates the Vajranadi at the ankles, the only asana we can practice before lunch and after the lunch or the dinner. Try to practice this asana every day, at least 60 seconds, commencing with 60 seconds, improve up to 5 minutes in order to get all the benefit of this asana. Very slowly and gently. Now lie on the abdomen. Very slowly and gently stretch your both the hands forward. Join the heels. We begin the practice with the Ardha Bhujangasana. Very slowly and gently slide the elbows on the palms. Now raise your head up as much as possible. Rest your elbows on the palm. Try to look up. Bring your awareness on the lower back, lumbar region. Feel the strength as you practice in the lumbar regions. Katimani. These are all the lumbar vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae getting stimulated. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently come to Makarasana. Fold your elbows, rest your forehead, relax your neck muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly join the heels. Now bring your both the palms by the side of your chest. Bhujangasana. Very slowly raise your head up. Join the heels. Let the thighs relax on the floor. Asp posture, serpentine posture. Be like a snake, raising the head, your lower abdomen above the floor. Now enjoy the pain around the hip joint, especially the lumbar region. Relax the pain. 10, Relax. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently rest your abdomen, chest and come to Makarasana. Relax your neck muscles. Watch the changes before going for the next posture. Supine lying postures. Observe the breathing. 4 types of techniques in Yogasana: standing, sitting, and also prone and supine. All the 4 type of practice asanas brings harmony in the internal organs. Relax, relaxing the abdomen muscles. Watch the breathing. As you keep on be watching, be aware of your body and the mind. Relax. Feel the slowness in the breathing. Now slowly and gently join the legs. Very slowly and gently, with the support of the palm, come to Vajrasana. Vajrasana, commencing posture, sthiti for all the sitting asanas. Very slowly and gently unfold the right leg and the left leg. Come to relaxation posture. Relaxation Dandasana is the sthiti for all the supine postures. Before commencing any postures on the back, you have to relax in this position and continue the practice. Very slowly and gently join the legs. Come to Dandasana. Very slowly lie on your back. Slowly and gently with the help of elbows. Now fold your knees. Keep your left foot by the side of your buttock. Fold your right knee. Keep your right foot by the side of your right buttock. Let the palms on the floor, relaxing the shoulders. We'll go for the Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Very slowly and gently lift your buttocks up as much as possible. Relax, rest your body on the palms, rest your body on the shoulders, relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently bring back Setu Bandha Sarvangasana like a bridge. This will help coordination between the mind and the body, helps to strengthen the lower back, removes the laziness, lethargy in the pelvic joint. Relaxing in this position, very slowly stretch your both the legs. Come to Shavasana, relax. Continue the relaxation with the awareness. Now we'll go for the Uttana Padasana. Very slowly join the heels. Now very slowly and gently rest your both the palms on the floor. Join the legs. Now inhale very slowly and gently raise your both the legs 30 degrees, 60 degrees, very slowly and gently up to 90 degrees. Be there and relax. Feel the blood rushing down the legs towards the thighs. Be there in this position. It is also known as Ardha Halasana. If you want, you can take the support. You can keep your both the palms below the buttocks and take the rest. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently drop your legs 60 degrees, 30 degrees and come to Shavasana. Relax. Before commencing the Pavana Muktasana, try to relax the body with observation of your breathing and enjoy the pain. Let the pain be there. Pain will be there in your body and also pain will be there in your life. So yoga brings you happiness. When you're able to sustain the pain in the body, you can able to sustain the pain in your life. So yoga is a way of life. All these teach us to how to gain happiness, listen happiness. So yoga is a way of life. So very slowly and gently join the legs. Pavana Muktasana. Slowly and gently take back the arms. Now raise your both the legs up 30 degrees, 60 degrees and slowly 90 degrees. Fold your knees. Bring your hands down. Interlock the fingers. Raise your head up very slowly and gently. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly take back the arms. Raise your legs up to 90 degrees. Slowly 60 degrees, 30 degrees. Bring your hands down and come to Shavasana. Relax. Relax in Shavasana. Apart the legs and hands. After all the practices, all the yogasanas, relaxation is must compulsory to begin the pranayama session. Relax the body, observe all the changes. Just allow the body to settle down. Shavasana, a dead body posture. Simple technique to relax the body and the mind. Relax the body. Feel the stillness in the body. Your body is relaxing completely. Yoga, as we say, it's a way of life. You have to keep these points in your mind. Don't compare yourself. First, see, don't compare yourselves to anybody. Try to go ahead with your own mind and body. In all the aspects, be yourself. You cannot change the whole society. We can change by changing oneself. Commitment. Commit yourself to the practice, commit yourself to your work. It brings you fruit in your life. Karmanye vadikaraste ma paleshu kadachana. Sense of duty is most important. Do your duty with relaxed mind. Don't compare and commit yourself. Don't complain with anybody, anything. Be yourself. Everybody is good at their work, at their attitude. So don't complain and enjoy your life with commitment, determination, with positive attitude, with belief. With little effort, you will get success. Success is in your hand. So be positive, be with positive attitude. Think always positive attitude. Don't be negative to anybody or anything. Don't think of negative and believe in yourself. When you're able to believe in yourself, you can believe others. Commitment, commit yourself to all the things with determination, with sankalpa, with affirmations. Put little effort without any laziness, you will get success. With this, become aware of the whole body, feeling the lightness in the body. Very slowly and gently give movements to toes and fingers. Even if you are feeling more pain, you can go ahead with a relaxation for a few more seconds or few more minutes if you have time. Now slowly and gently join the legs. Relaxing the mind and the body, fold your left knee. Slowly and gently take back your right arm. Turn right side. Very slowly with the support of the left palm. Very slowly and gently come to Sukhasana or Siddhasana or Padmasana, whichever is most convenient to practice pranayama and meditation. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi are the 8 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga. So Yama, Niyama are very important in your yogic way of life. Yama is the social discipline, control. Niyama are the personal discipline, cleanliness. Satya, Ahimsa, Asteya, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha are the 5 yamas. You have to gain mastery over these yamas, control yourself. Cleanliness, Shaucha, Santosha, Tapas, Swadhyaya, Ishvara, Pranidhana. These are the 5 niyamas you have to follow every day. Like external cleanliness, you have to clean yourself internally also. Shaucha, Santosha, contentment. Always be content yourself. Santosha, Shaucha, Santosha, Tapas. Do tapas in all the aspects, in your work, in your way, in your with the family. Swadhyaya, self-study. Study yourself. Study the scriptures. Ishvara Pranidhana. Surrender yourselves to God. Everything is acting according to the nature. We are the actors. The whole society is drama. We are the players. Let us play our own way. It is not wrong, but try to understand the truth through the yogic way of life. Let us begin the practice with the diaphragmatic breathing. Keep your right palm below the diaphragm, chin mudra on the left palm. Now relaxing the shoulders, we inhale slowly and gently moving the abdomen forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale slowly, suck the abdomen inside naturally. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the practice. Become aware of your abdomen muscles, abdomen breathing. Very, very important practice day to day because abdomen breathing helps to use the lower lobe of the lungs. We can also practice full yogic breathing along with the abdomen breathing, thoracic breathing, clavicular breathing, which we know as sectional breathing. Full yogic breathing, utilization of the three lobes of the lungs, inhaling always from the navel center up to throat and exhaling from throat to navel. Try to make the habit of this practice so that your lungs will be free and your system, respiratory system functions very well. We'll go for the Kapalbhati. Keep your spine upright. Keep the right palm above the navel center. Feel the movement of the abdomen muscles as you go on exhale. Take a deep breath. 1 stroke per second. Exhale through both the nostrils. Stop the practice. Now just become aware of the changes after complete exhalation. Wait for inhalation. Inhalation will take place naturally. Don't worry. Let the things be happen naturally. Just be an umpire in your life also. Be a witness to everything. As you are watching now, all the changes, you will try to feel the inhalation. Natural inhalation takes place. And also sometimes you can hold the breath. Breath will hold naturally. Cessation of the breath. Kevala Kumbhaka. Hold as long as you can or try to watch the Kevala Kumbhaka as long as you can and slowly exhale. So be a witness in your life also. Just watch all the changes taking place surrounding yourself. With this, we'll go for the Bhastrika. Take the position. Bhastrika Pranayama, expansion and contraction of the lungs to clench the alveoli, minute part of our lungs. Now begin the practice. This technique with equal ratio of inhalation and exhalation, active exhalation, passive inhalation. Now inhale deeply and expand the lungs. Stop the practice. 30 inhalation and exhalation in the beginning stage. You can increase up to 60. Relax, relax the lungs. Observe all the changes. Don't do anything. Be a witness. With a witnessing attitude, observe all the changes. Let the things be natural. Observe the slowness in the breathing. Once if your breathing becomes normal and quiet, You can go further for the practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Balancing Pranayama will helps to balance both the nadis, all the five pranas, Pancha Prana, Prana, Samana, Apana, Vyana, Udana. Five pranas gets balanced by the practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Keep on practicing this Nadi Shodhana Pranayama 4 times a day, minimum of 3 months. If you practice 3 months, all the nadis get cleansed. 72,000 nadis. Now we'll go for the practice. Now adopt mudra. Hold your first two fingers of the right palm. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale slowly through left nostril. Slowly inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left nostril. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the practice. Just become aware of your both the nadis, both the nostril breathing. Just do nothing. Everything will be acting according to the nature. Just watch the flow of energy through both the nostrils. Balanced energy. If you balance the five pranas, pancha pranas, will be out of psychosomatic disease. Imbalance in the prana flow brings you a lot of disease in the body. So let us practice this pranayama 9 rounds minimum 4 times a day. Now we'll go for the Bhramari pranayama, resounding pranayama, humming pranayama. Keep your spine upright. Now close your ears with the tip of the four fingers. Now inhale slowly through both the nostrils and while exhaling do a humming sound. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 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 Stop the practice. Feel the vibrations of the humming sound in the head region, relaxing the brain cells. Bhramari pranayama, powerful resounding pranayama, has three ways of benefits: physical, therapeutic, and spiritual benefits. Physically, it helps to stimulate the brain cells. Therapeutically, it prevents insomnia, sleeplessness, anger, anxiety, and cerebral tension. Spiritually, it leads you towards the state of samadhi. After the meditation, you'll absorb in the seer, relax, relaxing the whole body now. Feel the slowness in the breathing. Ultimately, takes you towards the silent state of mind, bliss and happiness. Relax. Let us do the sankalpa in the relaxed mind, in the silent state of mind. Repeat the sankalpa every day in order to strengthen your emotional mind. I am the powerful, purified, blissful, happiest, healthiest, peaceful, divine soul. My world is healthy, myself is healthy. My world is healthy, I am also healthy. My earth is best place to live. My earth is best place to live. I am the powerful divine soul. I am the powerful divine soul. I am the powerful divine soul. Keep on repeating this sankalpa. Do the affirmations every 2 hours once. Samyama, sankalpa for positivity. To bring the change in the society, let us change ourselves. Doing yoga, do good, be good, meditate, realize. Relaxing the mind and the body. Feel the changes in the mind. Strength is life, weakness is death. So let us strengthen our body, mind, so that there will be no fear, phobia in our mind. Let us do good and be good always. Do service, serve yourself, serve the society to bring changes. With the beautiful sankalpa in the mind, very slowly and gently unfold the right leg and the left leg. Slowly and gently, stretching your both the legs. Try to relax the toes and the ankles, both the legs. Let us conclude this wonderful yoga session with Shanti Mantra. Slowly and gently come to Vajrasana, holding the right knee and the left knee. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. For the well-being of oneself and the society, take a deep breath. Sarve bhavantu
सर्वे
sukhinah,
भवन्तु सुखिनः
sarve
सर्वे
santu
सन्तु
niramaya,
निरामया सर्वे
sarve bhadrani
भद्राणि
pashantu,
पश्यन्तु
ma
मा
kaste
कश्चित्
dukhabha
दुःखभाग्
bhavet.
भवेत्
Om
ॐ
Shanti
शान्ति
Shanti
शान्ति शान्तिः
Shanti. Very slowly take back the arms. Hold the right wrist with the left. Inhale, raise your head up. Exhale, bend forward. Offer our salutations to all the seers, sages who taught us yoga for the mind and the body. Let us salute to all the Guru Varyas who have taught us yoga for the mind and the body. Inhale slowly and gently come up. Release the arms. Rub the palms. Very slowly and gently keep them in front of the eyes. Gently massage over the eyeballs, cheeks, and chin. Very slowly and gently, feeling the freshness in the mind and the body. Open the eyes very slowly and gently with few blinkings. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadye Saraswati, Karamole Sitaye Gauri, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Shivarpanamatsu, Om Namah Shivaya. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, one and all, for giving a wonderful opportunity to teach yoga for you all. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, Guruji, for being with us for days, instructing us the yoga. I hope all of us will continue this practice. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
It was a very nice yoga session for 4
Thank
days.
you, sir.
I think lot of people have appreciated. Lot of people, watched on the plenary hall. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Parsati.
Sir, thank you, Guruji, for a very wonderful session of yoga. I think perhaps this is the first of its kind in a conference like this, and really appreciate and thank you very much, sir. And there's a lot of appreciation from the participants. I hope they will continue the yoga session for the well-being of all. Thank you, sir.
Continuation is most important. Let us continue.
Yeah.
Thank you, our director, sir, for giving me an opportunity to teach knowing things, yoga for you and all. Once again, thank you all the coordinators and organizers. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Namaskar. Bye-bye.
Namaste.
Namaskar. Namaste.
Dear participants, we will meet in the parallel technical sessions sharp at 9 o'clock.
Srivalsa, the plenary session will be given to all of them to participate in the Zoom.
Yeah, I think that is what we discussed. No, I think
Yeah.
that better. We can even email or post in the message in the plenary hall.
Yeah. So before this commencement of plenary session, we can announce that and post it in different groups so they can participate in
Yes,
this.
yes. Yes. Exactly.
Okay, see you at 9 o'clock, sir. All.
Parsarthi,
Sir.
yeah, I think we are only now 3 of us.
Yes,
So you should also, you've taken some bank account and other things of Vadayar.
Yeah. So, Srivalsa ji.
Yes.
You should get his bank account details and transfer.
Yeah, I will get it today. Yeah.
Please get it, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
we are live at platform also, sir.
Okay.
Fine.
No, Rohit is saying something.
Yeah, you can switch off the live now on 9
No,
o'clock.
I think it will continue. I think it will
Okay,
continue.
it's okay. It doesn't matter. It
fine,
should be fine.
fine.
So, Srivalsa,
Yes.
please do that so we can complete that task.
Yeah, I will do it today.
Bye-bye.